Meron din kami new music that we're working on. January next year, meron kaming inalabas na new song din. We really just want to tell our story together because it's been 8 turning 9 amazing years with these people we love each other the most. So, kung meron kaming isang hindi pinagpalit, yun yung pagkakaibigan namin. Kasi masasabing totoong magkaibigan kayo hanggang hindi kayo dumaan sa totoong pag-aaway. Pag 9 factorial.
9 factorial yung mga away na.
Ako naka-away ko na siguro lahat dito. The best thing about winning tonight is it's built on friendship. Celebrate po muna namin to kasi dugot pawis yung inalay namin para sa album nito. But also at the same time, meron din kami new music that we're working on. January next year, meron kami inalabas na new song din. Tutugtugin na namin siya. Oh, muna.
Gusto po dyan.
Soon. Oh, a teaser of the songs we're working on actually. The next stories that we want to share are songs about the band with different aspects of life, but we really just want to tell our story together because it's been 8 turning 9 amazing years with these people we love each other the most. So yeah, songs about our story is the band.
I think every single day.
Hindi mo kasi masasabing totoong magkaibigan kayo hanggang hindi kayo dumaan sa totoong pag-aaway. At palagay ko, dami namin, di ba? So parang pag 9 factorial.
9 factorial yung mga away na.
Parang, kumbaga, ako naka-away ko na siguro lahat dito. Tapos siya naka-away din niya lahat dito. Tapos parang kumbaga, marami kaming conflict, marami kaming na-resolve. At dahil doon, masasabing tumibay talaga yung pagkakaibigan namin. Imagine nyo guys, tumira kami sa isang bahay ng halos 2.5 years nung pandemic. So, makikita mo talaga lahat. Wala kang matatago kasi nasa isang bahay kayo. Pero lahat siguro marami pa kami pagdadaanan, pero marami na kami napagdaanan. At dahil doon tumibay talaga yung pagkakaibigan namin.
And I'd like to really stress that this kind of relationship of friends and testing the limits of friendship, it exists in every relationship that's worth keeping and worth choosing, like what we say in our songs all the time, every day. It's a daily choice. If it's not a choice, one day out. Pero I mean, you keep trying. You keep trying. Awit award. So yeah, it's a daily battle, but it's also a daily choice of continuing and choosing to love despite any kind of struggles and hardships.
The best thing about winning tonight is it's built on friendship. And it's the keyword of the night. It's the word friendship. Kasi, kanina parang, di talaga kami nag-expect tonight. I mean, and it's not a bad thing, to not expect. It's just more of, we're trying to, ang funny nga kasi kanina, nasa holding room. Tapos nag-usap namin, guys, kahit anong mangyayari tonight, masaya ako na solid yung friendship natin. Tapos, parang medyo may undertone yun na tanggap na namin kung sakaling hindi kami manalo. Kahit ano, masaya kami, di ba? And so to have won awards tonight, isa siyang sobrang unexpected surprise at wala kaming ibang pakiramdam kung hindi gratefulness sa industriya, sa mga kapwa musikero, sa mga sa bawat record label, sa bawat member ng PARI, at syempre sa bawat isang makikinig sa music namin. Pero siguro kung meron akong iiwan na message, kasi yun yung naging experience namin, hindi lang sa album nito, pero pati sa 8 years namin sa band. Ang dami namin pinagdaanan na mga challenges, mga life changes, pero kaya yung friendship kasi kung meron kaming isang hindi pinagpalit, yun yung pagkakaibigan namin. And yun yung gusto namin iwang parang sana ma-inspire yung mga grupo na like yung mga banda, yung mga P-pop group, yung mga anyone who's in a team or in a group trying to achieve something. Never forget the friendship that made you come together in the first place and hold on to that when times are tough. Gusto lang namin magsabi ng sobrang nagpapasalamat talaga kami for this recognition. It means a lot to us, especially for this album. And the friendships, the fights, the tears, the hard work that it took to be able to bring this album to life is something that we'll keep in our hearts forever. And we also wanna honor lahat ng naging bahagi ng paggawa ng album na to, ang record label namin, ang lahat ng producers, ang management namin, everyone. And of course, pinaka at the center of it all, si Dad.
Yes.
Thanks, guys.
This is Christ.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you, everyone.